Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be showing you how to easily install Budibase on your PC. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply go to their website by searching up Budibase. Then once you're here, you then have to sign up for a free trial. Then simply choose the sign up method you want to use. So I'm going to go for sign up with Google. And once you've entered your preferred email, you then have to enter the various details of your company. So this includes your company name, the number of employees it has. So just click on the digits, and once you're good to go, then just click continue. And next, we're going to have to select which team we are on. Then choose what you want to use Budibase for. Then tap continue. Alright, so finally, we're going to have to now set our workspace URL. So this is simply the link you want to use for your workspace. You can also choose if you want to self-host it as well, but I'm going to set one and we can select continue. Well, now once the entire process is done, it's now time to start building your app. So you'll usually be given a free trial once you sign up, which usually lasts for 14 days. And once you're here, you then have to look for the download section. So this usually doesn't come up for some users, but if you do see it, you can then simply click on it and proceed with the prompts. But if you don't, you then have to download it as a CLI tool. So to do this, simply go to Budibase docs, then simply follow the prompts on how you can install it. So that's simply how to install Budibase on your PC. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.